the individual or individuals that may be involved in perpetrating this fabricated and malicious video showing the president in a bad light. But definitely we are going to the bottom of this, and soon enough we will be able to identify these individuals, and we will give them due process. The law is for everyone, for ordinary people, including those highest ranking officials. So with due process, we will see to it that the persons responsible will be held accountable for this malicious and dastardly acts.
We have identified mga tao, no? But we are still gathering enough evidence, proof, para ang case na isasampa namin sa kanila ay talagang airtight, no? Hindi kami magbigla-bigla na lang pagpapay ng kaso and later on madi-dismiss ng So, initibayan natin lahat ng ating ebidensya. The PNP and the NBI is working together towards this solution of this problem.